You guys, I wish I was joking, but it's snowing again. Oh my god, this is all fresh on the ramp this morning. It's not made it to the road yet, but oh my god. So annoying. Can I just have spring already? Like, ugh. Can't even. What's up, old girl? You want to go in the snow? Go ahead. Go. She's out in the snow. Yay. Well, that didn't last long. Come on, Maddie. Okay. You were at the door too, my girl. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Come on. You want to go play in the snow? No? Okay. My mom took these adorable pictures of Hope when she was outside doing some shoveling. Hope was out there too. And this is about the third snow day / third snowstorm we've had in the last 10 days, which is absolutely insane to me. Enjoy. I'm too lazy to get my tripod, but my AirPod case broke. Well, like, didn't break, but the top part broke off after, like, couple months, April, and then it just broke, like, 2 or 3 days ago, so I think April to February is a good thing. But I got a new one from Amazon, and this one seems way sturdier, so I'm excited.
How do you know that?
Because the plastic just feels... Look at... It's a chocolate frosted donut with sprinkles. I was craving donuts when I ordered this. So, let's see.
Yeah, better get a plastic one than a real one, right?
Huh? Yeah.
Better to have a plastic one.
Better to get a fake donut than a real one. I mean, treats are nice sometimes, but... Uh-oh, I put it in the wrong direction. Shoot.
Help.
Yeah. Oh no, it's stuck.
Why?
Because, I don't know. I thought it would be better facing out, but I put it's
How do you know?
backwards. I don't know, I just thought, just personal preference.
Well, how do you know it was the wrong way?
Because you see that little light? I like to,
You go through the hole.
no, but I like to have it in the front. Because it'll, yeah, facing out of the donut, like out of the sprinkles. Okay.
Ooh, cold.
And then we just put, oh my God, you guys, look how cute. And you just open it and it's a donut. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. You're so, whatever.
What, me?
You got new headphones too.
Yeah, so.
And
Treat myself.
I know. So it's a donut, cute. And then this is probably gonna break off like super soon because it's one of those like little carabiner things. But I don't know. We'll see. But the snow has turned to rain, and I got a donut for my AirPod case. I'm so excited. So it is like 1:26, 1:30, and I'm having an egg salad sandwich with a side of Virgin River. I'm watching the second season, and I do have to say this is a little bit better than the first season. I wasn't a fan of the first season, but I'm about halfway through, and I like it so far. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 2:09 p.m.
Okay, so it's 2:09, and Sally the vacuum. It's okay, Sally. She's gonna do a 30-minute cleaning. No, let her go. Hopefully she'll bump off the stuff. Yep, there you go. You got about 10 more minutes left. Keep going. And she's going home. She made it! Yay! Hey guys, it's like 3 o'clock and I have a little bit of a headache, so I'm gonna try to, yeah. He might be on the floor. I think I'm gonna lay down and try to take a little bit of a nap. I have the alarm set for 4:30, so I don't like stay up all night, because if I sleep now, I don't want to be up all night. So I'll take a little bit of a nap and I'll talk to you guys later.